Right, today I'm going to show you how I work out my rafter diminishes on a pitched roof. So what I've done is I've cut a template hip block here, and what I need is the measurement from this point to that point at the bevel. So I've got 63mm there to the shoulder, if you like. This is my common rafter I've got here. So I've come in 63mm, put a plumb mark. I've already worked out the diminish, so if I measure point to point, 565, 565, because this is a 45-degree pitch roof, or 12-12 if you're in the US, so 12 inches by 12 inches. But typically in the UK, work in millimeters, so metric. So we work things out per meter run. So what I'm going to do is show you how I work it out on my phone with a scientific calculator. So type in the roof pitch, 45, okay, press cosine or COS, gives me a number, 0.707. You typically don't read the number after the third number after the decimal point, so you don't read these unless it's over 5. So anyway, a metre, 1000 millimetres, divided by 0.707 gives me 1414. So that would be the length of rafter from top of plumb to top of plumb, or if you round this decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the left, gives me 1.41. And what that is the secant of 45 degrees. So if I times that by the on-centre spacing, which is 400mm in this case, or 16 inches, 16 inches would be 406, but anyway, times by 400, 564. So that's how much they diminish or get shorter every 400 centre. So going back to this, what I've got here. So this is the common rafter. I've already deducted the 22.5 for the ridge at the top. Then I'm deducting half the diagonal thickness of the hip, cheek bevel cut, which is 63, and then it's the 564. I said 565 earlier, but that's a mil. And each of them is going to get shorter by this. And how I've done it, as I say, that's to the short point of the bevel. Hope that helps.